This Judy Boone Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Brenda Parker. Your castle awaits. This stunning historic home located in the heart of Ghent is directly in front of Norfolk's Hague. Completely gutted and restored while leaving the charm of yesteryear. New roof, HVAC, electric, most windows, keeping with historic nature, kitchen with stainless appliances and gorgeous granite, bathrooms. Truly one of Norfolk's best treasures, just minutes from EVMS, CHKD, Sentera, Chrysler Museum, Ghent Montessori School, the Williams School, restaurants, entertainment, shopping and more. Fireplaces have been adapted to convert from original coal use to gas. For more information, review the details below or contact Brenda Parker at 757-587-2800.